make a reaction video. So if you guys new to my channel, please I do crazy lawn mowing videos as well. So, and if you guys notice that they're doing lawn mowing videos for YouTube, but they're also mowing their whoever's yard for free. So yeah, here's me. I want you guys to know that I love you guys. If you guys are kind of new to my TikTok and you guys want to be part of my TikTok family, go to Crazy Working Man off of TikTok, which is also my YouTube channel name, which is awesome. Yay! Now also, I'm going to just react. This time I'm using my body camera, which is I'm recording on, so feels like an eyeball. Yeah. Yeah, I do TikTok videos, I do lawn mowing videos. Sometimes I do like what happens on my lawn mowing videos, or after my lawn mowing videos I upload to TikTok sometimes. And so if this battery was dead this past Thursday, I would have recorded the lawn mowing that I did on Thursday, but I didn't realize my battery was dead, so on my body camera, so yeah. Anyways, you guys are watching these guys work hard. They're awesome, so. And also I want to shout out Tim, the lawnmower man, myself, basically, he's awesome. And Miguel, thank you for viewing and watching my Crazy Hawks Party and Travel Vlog videos. Appreciate you, dude. Anyways, yeah, I just want to let whoever knows that if you're kind of new to the channel and you want to know how to lawn mow without blowing up your mower, or someone blowing up your phone when you're doing mowing, please turn off your phone. If you're watching this on your phone and you're not lawn mowing, thank you. If you're watching this doing your work, don't watch this. Please try not to watch my YouTube videos or TikTok videos if you're working. Please don't do that. That's a big no-no in the working world. I can understand if you're on your coffee break or something, please. Just watch it after work, or after, like, something else. So please, do that huge favor for me. You rock. Selfie. Selfie time slice. Anyways, I do love these guys a lot, so there might be more reaction videos to lawnmowers, not other people's YouTube or Facebook things or TikToks. Please, I don't do it very often. I will not do it anymore after whoever instantly says, hey, you should record a reaction video for somebody else that does stupid shit. No, dude, no. I'm sorry to say that is true. But anyways, I love you guys very much. I'm just gonna chill this right here, so These guys are awesome. Wonder if they're in Australia or somewhere. Anyways, I love you guys. Get back to me. I do love you guys. Sorry about my last few videos. I recorded on my laptop, so see this. This is my whole laptop. Anyways, I do love you guys very much. If you want to do a body camera YouTube video and you have a laptop, that would have been cool to record. And I'll be like, hey, Leaks, please, you got a body camera, cool. And also, before I forget, I want to shout out Tyler and Lee McKnight's. I've been in and out of restaurants, or not restaurants, going to church and volunteering if you saw that video. Oh shoot, I forgot to upload it. Freak, I forgot to upload it. Mother freaker. Freak out! I just made myself a headache. Oh man. You know, my voice is sounding weird. I'm sorry for that. Anyways, back to this. My reaction, they're hard at work, and I'm surprised they haven't listened to music like 5 o'clock somewhere or Margaritaville on for whoever's Alan Jackson, Jimmy Buffett, man. Big thumbs up to you guys. Anyways, Tim a lot more, man. Shout out to you, Tyler, McKnights. If anybody else I'm missing, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, this is my room. My bed's a mess. Ain't alright. Yes! There's a fly in here. Anyways, see you guys later.
Then we cleaned up out here, which is, I mean, that's council land, but at least it makes this place look better. So...